Hello, everybody. I'm going to tell you about the six facts of ecology of kids. Ecology facts for kids. Number one, ecology is the study of ecosystems. Ecosystem describe the web or network of relations among organisms at different scales of organization. Number two, fire ecology facts for kids. Fire ecology is about the effects of fire on the ecosystems where it occurs. The results of fire are studied and also what causes the fires in many ecosystems. Number three, ecological footprint facts. Ecological footprint facts for kids. Kids Encyclopedia facts and ecological footprint measures how much people take from nature. The footprint is the compared. Number four, ecological niche. An ecological niche is the part of the environment into which a species fit and to which it is adapted. A shorthand definition of niche in biology is how an. Number five, ecological succession facts. Ecological succession is the process by which a specific ecology has more or less orderly and predictably changed after a disturbance like a fire. Number six, ecosystem facts. An ecosystem is a large community of living organisms, plants, animals, and microbes in a particular area. The living